Hey guys, so today's July 23rd. My wife and I picked these 2 trays of raspberries. I've got some raspberries after like 4 years of waiting for this raspberry patch to finally get working and going. Got these 2 pans of raspberries and we are excited, and there are probably 4 or 5 more of these pans yet to come in the coming days. And all I have is about a 40-foot row of raspberries. So this is just a fantastic place to grow raspberries. So they ripen up really nicely here. So I got all of these raspberry starts for free from family and kind of friends in the area. We like to make these into jam and make them into smoothies and stuff like that, but you know, this is one thing I love about this place where I live. I just wanted to show you these and show you how many my wife and I picked, and there's just many more to come. When you get towards the end, kind of get sick of raspberries and you just don't want to see another raspberry. So in addition to the raspberries that I've got right here, I've got this hollyhock right here. I've got some grapes growing on this little pole here. I'm trying to grow that up and I'm trying to train them to live on a wire. Got 3 grape plants there. And then check out all of these onions that I've got. Those only 3 little bundles of onions. Cost me about $10 for all of those onions. And there's going to be a lot of them. So I love this time of year when you can start picking raspberries and you kind of can see the onions coming up and they're about ready to pick. So I'm kind of hoping that these grapes that I'm trying to train to live on a wire are going to produce in about 2 to 3 years. Anyways, that's what I've got for you today. Thanks for watching.